Salve a tutte e tutti, sono
Good
Giancarlo
morning,
Covino.
everyone. My name is Giancarlo Covino. I would like to thank those who organized this contest. Thank you for inviting me. I will be talking about the LSG project. This is the requalification of a private garden in the city of Caserta.
Di un'unità residenziale allocata a piano terra in un binario
This
fabbricato
is an ordinary residential building made in the 1980s.
nord del
It is located in an area which is close to the urban center of Caserta.
caratterizzato dalla presenza di delle frazioni
This is
vegetali,
characterized by
città comune anche un borgo di medietà,
some key features of the city close to the Middle Ages walls and ramparts of the Caserta castle.
non è più una scelta
In this area, the garden
sì,
is not a choice of the owners.
territorio lasciato libero dalla
These are areas of territory that have been left free
in questa foto e
depending on the urban planning regulations of some decades ago.
fatto che abbiamo
It
trovato
is now possible to see what we have found around the building.
il giardino da carta
This was our first inspection.
standard.
You can see here weeds and plenty of bushes. We also have walls all around the garden. This is represented by lightweight concrete.
Costituito da un secco
On the eastern part of the garden,
di tubo giallo campano che barderate
you can see a specific local building material which has characterized the building industry and the construction industry of this territory. We have a staircase that leads to a door, a private driveway, but also to a public road.
la sfera privata e intima
So the garden is a sort of a communication link between the owners of the building, but also the public dimension on the public road.
Noi siamo intervenuti
Once again, some pictures of our first inspection.
che abbiamo trovato. L'unico elemento di
This is the general master plan.
che hanno dovuto quella di
In this case, we have a couple of uses.
durante le brevi giornate per il godimento del giardino.
So during summer, that family used, of course, to spend some time out. And this area is also a connection between, the residential building, but also the staircase just to go to the main public road.
Che ha preso più una forma L è stato fatto
The shape of the garden is L.
inserito la piazza delle altre spade dove partono dei camminamenti.
So we have used a specific so-called summer plate in order to spend time outside in summer. We also have a high, let's say, green path.
Erbe aromatiche dotate
In this case, you have plants and even aromatic plants.
viola, c'è il setto di tufo giallo campano,
You can see here some tufa, so this is the typical local material.
di cantiere permisibile.
This is one of the pictures we've taken when the building works had started.
L'intervento è stato quello del rivestimento, in cui
Of course, cladding was so important, and here ceramics have played a fundamental role.
stabile dei camminamenti
As for the cladding of the walk-on plate that you can see here, we have chosen milestone basalto line from Marazzi. The format is 60 by 60, and the thickness is 20 millimeters.
l'estetica
This is a good solution in terms of aesthetics, but also in terms of the fact that, of course, this has to be used outside, so outdoor use. The same solution has been used for some of the perimeter walls and the staircase outside. Ceramics has also been used for the so-called high plate. Here we have worked on a contrast basis.
che andasse un po' a contrastare il carattere
So once again, we just wanted to have some contrast with the colors of the soil, the earth, but also the white wall that you can see here. We have chosen the colore and colore line from Ceramica Bardelli, two different formats, 10 by 40 and 5 by 40. This is an original pattern in order to lighten, the so-called high plate.
la caratterizzasse dandole
At the same time, we just wanted to give a unique image, reminding us of an outdoor space or garden, including magic and some magic suggestions. This is from René Magritte, 1965. We've taken into account this masterpiece because there are so many natural elements in this painting that we just wanted to replicate in this garden. So, once again, this is the pattern that we have used for our ceramics. So, this is an example of the cladding, just laid. It contains a human element, as you can see here. There's a blue brush here, and you can see the difference between the porous yellowish brownish wall on the top and the colors that we have added. This is another beautiful picture taken while works were still going on. You can see here the color difference between all of our ceramics colors, and then once again the earth and then the wall. This is what we did after, planting plants and making a beautiful, lawn. You can see here once again small plants, aromatic plants. This is what the family uses for their kitchen. You can see here other ceramic cladding. It envelops the staircase. You can see here the picture of the L-shaped garden. So we have porous yellow material for the wall. And look at the difference with the ceramics. We have also used travertine, so a sort of marble, which matches with the porosity of the wall. And this is the lighting system. We have used a linear horizontal light source. This is to highlight, the perimeter of the garden. You can see here that the ceramic is able to reflect light, so in the night it amplifies and deepens the magic that we wanted to have in this project. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye-bye.